guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing Teardown again for the fourth time now. So let's get into it. Oh, 1 minute. I gotta turn off the mods because doing something. I'll turn off the read. Okay. Now we have that turned off. Let's do some campaign missions. See, only active one. Stability read. See. GPS. Alright. Yeah, this seems simple enough. Ooh, I hate the marina. It's kind of annoying. 5 objectives. 5 objectives. Come on now. Right, show me a map, Tom. Show me a map. Okay. 1 there. 1 there. I think I could get that one across. Okay. You're on a boat. And you're also on a boat, so let's see here. Meow. Okay, I think I have an idea here. That one. Let's grab this one first. Watch my genius. Alright, oh, this is actually gonna be crazy. Let me cook. Ooh, alright. Just, kind of. It's fine, I'm fine. I'm gonna use some very big brain strategies here. Like this door. It's gotta go. Oh, that could have been bad. It wasn't. So I can move that. Just throw the boat into the water. Can I drive that? Oh. I should have been more careful while doing that. Okay. Good. Should I raise the bridge yet? Yeah. There's no point in not. Okay. Is there like a thing here I can get up fast? Okay, yes. Let's go. Oh. That won't be an issue. We'll be fine. Looking to reduce time. I clear that out. Okay. There we go. I can jump over that fluently. Like this, okay. I'll open it this time. Like a civilized human, which I am not. Okay, got it. Let me cook. I don't even know if you could. Okay, I don't even think you could drive this boat. I'm just gonna drag it over to the point. Okay. Alright. Your boat gets stuck in the water, and you can't really do anything about it. Fine. Should be good around. My car is like. So I'm just gonna. Here I could just grab it and skedaddle. Oh wait. Okay, got a quick save there. I'm gonna walk there. Gimme. I'm gonna be honest here, I kinda forgot how to get in. Wait a minute. This guy's gonna move out my way. Getting right in the middle. Okay, we should be good. Is what I thought, but apparently not. So let's any fry the control panel. Now I should just be able to grab the gate. Oh. I could have done that time, but fun. Let's just get rid of a few of these. Okay, okay. I gotta steal the truck. Ooh, that's not good. Oh, it's actually, we're fine. Fine. This is fine. Oh, why did I park that forklift there? Professional truck driver here. Just bring them all to one spot. Good. The most efficient. Okay, now I could just... Okay, alright. Now we got this boat here. I think I could get that off, right? I can move the trailer. Okay. So you go there, get up there. Okay, now I gotta go over there, so I'm just gonna walk in the water. What's your way? Burn. Burn. There we go. Why is this? I'll be back to you when I get over there. Oh. Okay. Okay. Gonna do that, but then I realize. Okay, wait a minute. That's gonna be our issue now. Alright, we're gonna start from here. Be a starting point. Skills call. We'll be fine. Where are the rest? Oh, there's one in there. There's one on that boat. There's one there. Oh, I was gonna start from there. I might have to forget those. I have to forget the log file. Ah, yeah. I forgot I did that. I got this one. I just go so deep, so I'm able to just kind of chill in it. Easy. Let's go. Down now. Like, crap. Most games, water, you're able to swim a bit faster in it sometimes. Not this one. 1 minute, I'm just gonna gotta get out of here. 1 minute. I just That's what they get. That's what they get. Trying to keep me out now? I could get in. I could get in wherever I need to be. You don't want me in? Too bad. Perfect. Okay, just disconnect the cords. Okay. Again, I thought I could just kind of hobble into it. I got this. Oh, why do I always start shooting at what I need to not destroy? What's in here? Room that is flooded. Love it. Half door. This thing is so slow. This. I had, like, this one's even an option. I just want to try to get them all. I get them all, like, alright. Just hit it. It's wood. Won't do anything. Chill. Rock will do something. Like Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Snatch it, run here. I could get this on the land. I'm just gonna snatching this onto land. Open up lodges. Perfect. Beautiful. Okay, I have an idea. Get out of that house. Go over here. Drive there. Get in there. Boom. Grab these. Just doom, boom, boom, and boom. Perfect. It's a perfect plan. Now, since nothing's over there, I could lower this bridge. Bridge. Okay. I gotta get over there. Most efficiently possible. Okay. Now I just gotta get in this house. I know how. Okay. Did. Okay. Perfect. Move. Move out of the way, boy. What did I say about being there? Alright. Uh-oh. Okay. I just gotta get a car. I was gonna make a ramp so like one of these cars could get up there. Now the more I think of it, the more bad idea. We got this, we got this, we got this. Okay, ready? Okay. Okay, save, set, go. Boom. Perfect. Perfecto. We got this. We got this. Let's do one more. Ooh, new tool, new tool. What is it? Pipe bombs. I wasted it all. But they're pretty fun. Like, can I pick up this car? Yeah. I'm gonna move this. I don't want it here. This thing is heavy. Hey. Water tower. Got it. Golden blue water tower. Oh, he wants it gone. Got it. Gotcha. The tower. Wait a minute. I feel like this is meant to be something bad. I just... Ah, yes, a truck full of explosives. Love it. Still in the back of it. I'm just gonna... This is very bad. Okay, what's my goal? Okay, bring it down. Anyone got plant? The perfect mod for this mission. I just can't use it. Because, you know, mods, they're basically cheating. Especially in campaigns. Okay? Okay. I think I got this. Give me a minute. Let me cook. Oh. Okay. I am actually horrified. Alright, we got this. Alright, let me try and really focus up, so I'm gonna be, that was really quiet. My bad. My bad, I got very quiet. I got silent. I muted myself, because I was munching for a minute. Alright, well, let's go. We got this. Ooh. Dang it. I cannot make that. Oh yeah, I forgot there's an entrance. Was an entrance. Really trying to annoy me here. Okay. How am I efficiently bringing down this tower? Yes, I love it. Get me outside. Ah, okay, I gotta bring it below there. I'm good at this. Here we go! Ooh. It's not good. That is not good. Okay. I didn't even start! Okay, we got this, we got this, we got this. Okay, I'm just gonna dispose of these right now. There we go. Wait, can it still drive? Does it still work? I do not think it works. I thought I'd have like a tow truck now. Oh, they're trying to keep me out. Well, now let's get rid of this side. No, I'm done with this. I'm bombing it. Cool, guys. Don't look at explosions. Ooh. Oh, I broke off the bucket. Well, it is what it is. Deal with it. Love this. I do not think we got this. No, I'm done with this. Okay, no, it's coming down. You know what? The entire thing is coming down now I think about it. I'm bringing it down. I go one at a time so I don't die. The more I bring it down, the more the faster I watch it crumble. Just rubble as I walk up the stairs. I don't even think there are stairs at some places. Yep, gone. Without shooting. Yep. Okay. I'm out of bombs. Not pipe bombs. Okay, got this. Okay. Oh. The stairs are on fire. The stairs are on fire. I love that. I love how the stairs caught on fire out of absolutely nowhere. Love that. What is still holding this thing up? There we go. And we've done it. There's lags. Oh. Look at that. Well, we've done our job. I think we should just, break more stuff, because I'm not leaving this place. I'm stealing. Ooh, the vending machine. Free soda? No. Thought I'd get free soda from that. That's stupid. I think. Oh, bro, I was about to be like, does little bro keep everything? It's mine. That's why you check. That's why you check. It's valuables. I'm not letting Robo leave. Like, it's not. This is just a robbery now. Flipping his desk. You know what? Chair. Out the window. Desk. Out the window. Myself. These pipes. We can't have them actually doing things. That'd be bad for me. Okay, we're just gonna use a sledgehammer now. Or I could just working water stuff. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this stuff does, but I can't have it working. Oh. Ow. This I'm breaking it. I'm just gonna write my signature. My signature little thingamabob. Spray can. On here. On this one. Perfect. I am just gonna... Did he lock everything? I can't have him leave with intact items, or else that would be bad for me. I'm pretty sure Blue will pay me more. I mean, I get paid more by speed and stuff. Well, I missed, but I won't miss this time. More. Outside. This is gonna cause something light on fire. Can't have working pipes. As I said, you're not escaping this one. Tax fraud. Okay. No working pipes. Great. Good. Actually, wait. Is that one working? Yeah, no. I mean, it was. Might have been. Maybe at one certain point. Not anymore. I just need one hole in it. Kinda classifies as not working. With my signature symbol again on this thing. That was me. That tower that came down. Also on that. I'm just gonna put it somewhere. There we go. Perfect. There's a few buildings intact. I just don't get into it. I got everything I can. Anything of value? Oh, yes there is. Hidden money? Who just leaves $100 under their couch? I know why you don't. They're not keeping me out, Lee. Oh, thanks. Oh. What? Oh, it's a power supply. You mean... no power supply? Okay, I fried his power. Ooh. Energy. Nothing's working. I would leave stuff on fire, but I can't. Okay. You've disabled his everything, so now I'm just gonna get out of here. Make sure he knows, I'm not playing. Okay, good. Oh yeah, can't have him having Wi-Fi. Good. Nope. Yep. No, can't have that. No. Good. Good. No Wi-Fi. That's what I want. I want it. Good. Disconnected. He's now disconnected from the outside world. I'm just gonna... Gates open. So if anyone else wants to, they could just troll on in and just deal goblins. Alright. I think we did pretty efficient on these missions. So, with... Shut up, TV. Whoop. Let's go outside. with saying that, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, comment what games I should try, and see you next time.